In this tutorial, we'll be making a very simple double jump script. So first of all, go into your starter player and starter player script. Click on the plus sign, add local script. Let's rename this to double jump so we know what script it is. I'll make it bigger for you so you can read it easily. First, local our user input service, which equals to game.get service user input service. Then let's local our players equals game player. Game.get service players. Then we will also local our normal player, just our local players equals to players dot local player. Then let's add a function, local function on character added, and let's do character. And then let's local our humanoid in our character, which equals to wait for child humanoid. Then let's copy this, paste it in, and then do root part, which will be here humanoid root part. Then local can double jump equals to false, local jump count equals to 0, local jump power equals to 50. Then let's local function on land, so when you landed, jump count equals to 0 again because you landed, can double jump equals to false. Okay, then let's do humanoid dot state changed, connect function. Let's do underscore comma state. Then let's do if processed. That's not if state double equal enum dot humanoid state type dot landed. Then on land, how we do it? Then user input service dot input began connect function input comma processed. Then if processed, then return end. So this will ignore if the input is already used. Then if input dot keycode double equal enum dot keycode enum dot keycode dot space. Then if our jump count is equal to 0, then what we're gonna do is our jump count will become 1 because you jumped one time. Can double jump equals to true. Else if jump count is equal to 1 and can double jump, then what we're gonna do is we're gonna set the jump count to 2 and double jump equals to false, and then root part dot velocity equals, wait, I spelled that right? Oh wait, equals to 2 here. Velocity equals to vector3 dot new root velocity x comma jump power comma root part dot velocity dot z. And then beneath all of this, we're gonna do if player dot character, then on character added player dot character, and then underneath this player dot character added connect function on character added, like this. That's something wrong. Connect without a function because you don't make a new function like this. And then normally everything should be working fine. You can double jump, as you can see. Okay, so that is your double jump done. So the model will just be double jump, and you just drag this into starter player scripts. Something funny that you can add, you can go in here, go to audio and search in jump or double jump, sure. Well, not jump, just jump. Find a sound that you like. Yeah, so I'm gonna use this one, insert this into jump sound. I'll ready to jump. And then what you can do is local sound equals to script.jump. Yeah, and then here in double jump, then we're also gonna do sound play. Now if we start it, you can see you get like a small sound when you double jump. And then also if you want, we can do landing. Yeah, let's insert this as well. Our name is to land, and we can put it in here on land. Sound 1 local sound 2 equals script dot land. We can do sound 2 play, but of course we're gonna change this also to sound 1. Now when you jump and you land. But yeah, this is your choice if you want to add this or not. I'm personally not gonna add this. So yeah, well, this is the double jump script. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.